Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you how to easily change your account name in Windows 10. Follow these simple steps to get started. First, let's open the control panel on your Windows 10 computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start button and searching for Control Panel. Once you have the control panel open, look for the User Account section. Under this section, you will find a link that says Change Account Type. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you will see a list of accounts on your computer. Choose the account that you want to change the name of by clicking on it. After selecting the desired account, a new screen will appear. On this screen, you will find an option that says Change the account name. Click on it to proceed. Great. Now it's time to enter your new account name. Simply type in the desired name in the provided field. Once you're done, click on the Change Name button to save your changes. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your account name in Windows 10. It's as easy as that. Remember, having an account name that reflects your identity can be helpful when using your computer. So take a moment to personalize it to your liking. Thank you for watching our tutorial today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy computing.